One of the problems I think we have with the Shopsmith Jigsaw is this little hole, that little black dot plugging up because of the cascading sawdust while you're cutting, falling right over top of the air hole. And when it's running, there's air moving in and out of that little hole, and so it's going to plug up with this very fine sawdust. Since these blades on the Jigsaw make very fine sawdust, it can easily be drawn into that hole. And I'll run it here, and you can see the sawdust cascading off. And I believe that if a person were to glue a small hood over top of this hole and have the bottom open, it would be less likely to draw in as much sawdust. And I think that would be an improvement. So I'll see what I can do on that. Thank you.